Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by lowering facial fullness and improving how your jaw appears. Start a modest calorie deficit and add 20-30 minutes of cardio 3-5 days weekly. This reduces subcutaneous fat and reveals bone definition. Once done, practice chin tucks and neck alignment to counter forward head posture because posture changes jaw shadowing. Make sure to hydrate and prioritize 7-9 hours of sleep. These regulate fluid retention and skin tone. Keep alcohol and heavy salt low to avoid puffiness. You move into consistent sculpting focused on muscle tone and definition. Use a resistance chew or a 1-2 minute jaw squeeze tool and perform jaw juts and chin lifts for 3 sets of 15-20 reps because muscle development tightens the lower face. Once you add neck and platysma exercises like supine head lifts, you'll improve the transition from chin to neck. Make sure to progress resistance and stay consistent for weeks. Muscle and skin adaptation take time, not overnight fixes. You finish by refining visual cues and solving common problems. Shape facial hair with short sides and a trimmed beard to create shadowed angles and a stronger chin. Small trimming changes make a big perceived difference. If fat loss stalls, recheck calorie intake, add non-exercise activity, and boost resistance training to shift composition. Make sure to avoid quick invasive fixes if you're considering fillers, buccal fat removal, or skin tightening. Consult licensed professionals and get realistic expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.